guys, welcome back to the channel. We start our vlog at Blackpool North Railway Station. And if I can just turn this around, I'll show you what I'm here. I don't know if you can see that in the background there, guys. That's the innovation train. Now it's to do with the Railway 2000 celebrations, and I bagged a ticket. Now I got mine quite early. Oh, that's a better view. Hang on, let's stand here. You can see a better view of how long the train is. So I got mine a little bit earlier because I now volunteer at National Rail Museum. I'm officially training to be a mini rail driver, and it's great fun. I can't wait to pass out under Jack's tutelage, eh? Right, we're gonna go chill out here for a little bit, and then we're gonna go and have a look at the innovation train. I thought we'd do the past, the present and the future of railway. Like, that'll be interesting. So anyway, we're in. Got Sainsbury's. I remember watching that being built. New council buildings, new hotel. Now that used to be a Wilco's. Saying these weren't here. I remember watching that being built, and we used to say it was Skitter Towers. So we got more things being built. That is going to be the MOD offices in Blackpool. I don't know, go figure. Right, I'm going to chill out here for a bit. There you go, guys. So I've had a quick sneaky peek on here already when I was in York. But this is the innovation train. I must admit, it is quite cool. It's weird. Yeah, I should be going from one end to York or Manchester, eh? This is cool. Wow. Oh, Michael Portillo. That's incredibly cool. There you go, guys, look at that. That's cool. There you go, guys. Welcome on board. Oh, Wonder Lab on wheels. Now, that's normally hidden behind a paywall at the museum, so that's cool. Points and stuff, aren't they? Because my brother used to work at. Oh, right. Yeah. First railway photograph. Oh, that's cool. What station is it? So I'll quick look down the coach. Yep. Start the tank engine. Real-time passenger information. Wow. Timetable. Oh, there we go. First well-known railway death, 1930. There you Look at that. Howdy high vis. Wow. But it just goes to prove one thing, railways have always been in orange. Railway worker, right now.
27, 28, 29, 30. You can press this.
Children's locomotion is one of our museums. Cool. Right, going this way now. Go, happy with that. I talked about the Royal Museum. So you write your first memory and put it down there. That's quite cool. Ooh, Wonderland on wheels. This is cool. So like, how does the station do? Nah, that would have been the toilet. Oh, this is the Wonderland on wheels. I think here you're getting to make a railway bridge.
This is a big plane.
A young lad is driving out on the street. See, that's cool. You get making a bridge, I guess, so you can get a train to go under it. There we go. This, you get to make a wheel and see what behaves. Oh, it's a sandpit. Oh, I see. Oh, that's mad. Ready, watch this, guys. Oh, wow. This is quite cool.
Interactive. You move the sand, it moves the landscape.
Let's see if we can join these up, shall we? Nah, it didn't work. Hang on. There we go, look.
I was trying to make it go to the tunnel.
That's pretty
All the
cool.
kids have all been doing that, making massive hills. I don't know, I told you that you brought me.
Yeah, so
That is mad. Look, ready, guys. Look, ready.
also SLT said this was their favourite bit.
Yeah.
If I'm not
Well, like this. I can stay and play with this for ages.
she said, well, that was she's a control freak.
It's just then, and it moved too quick. Fucking track there instead of all this.
That's mad, really. Let's make it big, long.
It's too quick for you,
Look at that. Then you do that. I can sit and play with this for ages. This is cool. Oh, look at that. I'm going to see if I can make this. Watch this, guys. Watch this. That is. Oh no! Let's get rid of that. Oh.
Never mind that bit, but
There you go. And you put the track back and then the train up. This is really cool. I might get myself lost in here for a while. This is very cool. That is how a train from the snow. It's incredibly cool. I want one of these in my house. One last go. Look. Oh look, there you go. I'm making the snow melt. That's pretty cool. I think Charles is going to like this when he comes tomorrow. That was incredibly cool. That was my favourite part. That was cool. Very cool to do. Right. Going into the third coach now. This is Railway's Future. Let me turn this round and I'll show you. There you go, guys. I think I might have to jump on board when this comes to Ribble in January. Oh. I guess you get a stamp every time, but I got that. It's quite cool. Sorry for that. Oh, okay. Hang on. I guess this describes all the roles it takes to run a railway. This is quite cool. Oh, I know what that is.
I'll take it.
Tunnel boring machine.
I'd be disappointed if I got low. That's not too bad. So I mean, billings, so we send all the invoices out and allocate all the money that we get back in. So it's like
Project manager.
for now at Rails. And all
Get it going.
it's national. So we sit in route services and yeah, so we do it for the entire country. Ready?
There you go, we've got that working. That's Let me grab it. Turn it off, there we go. So you use these bits here, into like these bits here, and then tell them what route to take on the display. That's quite cool. Like that, it's clever.
You can actually see what's going on. Yeah.
Ooh, that's cool. That's very cool.
People who don't work here anymore.
That's a...
Yeah, but it's still warm.
Oh, okay. Do nice.
This is just the office and that. Really, the show, this is the office. If you told me you put a screw in something, how do I know? I've got a photo of it. That's what you're doing it.
Wow, cool. I like these little seats here if you can sit down on, that's quite cool. Ooh, I thought there was only 3 carriages, I'll go to another one here.
Sorry about
You're alright.
Selfie zone. Oh no. That's cool, you've got the railway uniforms for like kiddies to try on. Look. That's cool. And the Zanky West Coast coat, I've always liked them.
Volunteering. Yeah.
There you go, guys. Another one of those 66. What's this one called? The other one was called Michael Portillo. This one is Karen Harrison. Oh, there they are. Badge. This is cool. I never normally get to go on platform 1 at Blackpool North. This is strange. It's cool though. Very cool. I did like that. I like that a lot. Look, Railway Museum. Nice to see the museums represented. Didn't take me the longest amount of time, and obviously I had to be wary of not taking kids. But very cool. Oh, I see. Oh, that's cool. That's incredibly cool. You've got future. Oh, my mate got a picture of this. My mate's got that on his profile at the moment. I wonder where it come from. That's where it's come from, the future coach. Sorry, Matt. And you've got a present. So these are like the carriages you walk through. It's incredibly cool. That one's like the one, the Lab on Wheels. I think it's that one where you've got the sandpit you play in. That was, yeah, I wish I'd gone on that in York actually. So I had a quick peek. That's incredibly cool. And past. I've got a few volunteers coming up. I'm going to have to stop in a minute. There we go, guys. Last look at the inspiration train. I could imagine that's quite a sight to see coming down the track as well. Debating what we reckon in York. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe? Oh, that's cool. There you go, guys, the last little bit. I just talked to a couple of volunteers, very nice people. Running on Hoja desalinated vegetable oil. Okay. I get excited seeing the museum. Hang on, seeing the museum represented. That's really cool. So like, I've got a book for my granddaughter, and that's all on Northern Rail Heritage. So once I finish reading that, I know someone who would probably like to read that after me, Georgie. That's an impressive looking logo, I've got to say. Impressive looking logo. There you go. Can we have a quick sneaky one in the cab? Let's have a look, shall we? There you go. Quick sneaky one in the cab, that's cool. So, yeah, there you go. There you go, guys, that was cool. Very cool. There you got a couple of books and a pen. Hang on, let me come out the way. Whoop. Yeah, that was a good day. Right, before I go, just need a special shout out to someone. George Smiley. Yeah, I appreciate your card. It was lovely. And yeah, you know, I appreciate your help keeping the old channel going. Now, yeah, your generosity, thank you. I'm in London in January. I shall be probably putting it towards my flow with Fleur, so thank you. You know, take everything you do yourselves. I'd love to meet up someday. Next time in Blackpool, let me know, yeah? We'll have to meet up and say hi, because, you know, I owe it to you to put a name at the face. Sorry, I owe it to you to put a face to the name, because, you know, a couple of cars. Man, it's meant a lot, thank you. Cheers for that, George. Right, and this is all we do. Stay safe and have a good day. Goodbye.